Hi there. This video is going to show how to register for a class. First, log into HomerConnect. On the left side of the screen, click on Registration and Planning. Then select Register for Classes. Select the appropriate term. If needed, enter your RAC or Registration Access Code. Contact your academic advisor to receive your RAC. First-year students attending orientation do not need an RAC. Confused about RACs? See our in-depth video to learn more. There are two different ways you can find and register for a class. First, you can add a class by entering the class's CRN or course reference number. See our video on browsing classes to learn more about how to find a class's CRN. To navigate to this page, click Enter CRNs at the top left. Input the CRN of the class you want to register for into the box. If you would like to register for more than one course at a time, click Add another CRN. You can input as many as you would like. Once you are finished inputting CRNs, press Add to Summary. This will add the class to the box at the bottom right and on the schedule. The course will appear on a weekly schedule mockup. This is helpful for seeing possible time conflicts. Once ready, select Submit, located at the bottom right corner of the screen. The screen will display Save Successful if you are properly registered for the class. Any other message displayed in the upper right corner means that there was an error of some kind and you cannot register for the course. This student attempted to register for multiple courses. They pressed Submit and some courses registered successfully. Others have errors that prevented registration. CRN 21411 has a time conflict with another course and the student does not meet the required major or minor. Click on the title of each class to open class details. This window lists specific course information. For CRN 21386, the student does not meet the required prerequisites. See our video on restrictions to learn more. If you don't know which course or specific section you want to register for, you can browse all of the classes offered and then add it to your summary directly from the Browse feature. Search by subject code, course number, or instructor. Once you have found a course that you want to register for, select Add. This will add the class to your summary. Once you have selected all of the classes you want to add, select Submit. This will register you for the course if you meet all the restrictions and don't have any time conflicts. The course schedule feature lays out all of the courses you are registered for or that you have added to your summary onto a calendar. This allows you to see how your week might look for the upcoming semester. The class details window shows you specific information about each class such as meeting time and location, number of credit hours, instructor, among many other things. If you have any questions, please contact the Office of the Registrar at registrar@ithaca.edu or 607-274-3127.